I think it's going to look beautiful.
It will look beautiful when it's done. It's not done yet. I'm still putting the hair color on top of your hair.
All right.
Lights on so I can get your shortcut.
All right.
Not over your hair, just backward your hair.
I'll try to be very still so all that hair color doesn't fall out. Ooh, Nelly. Ooh, Nelly.
Not again.
Shall I get it for you?
Yeah.
You can try again. I'm sure it will work.
No, I can do it.
Okay, here.
Nope. Sit really still or
Okay.
it's going to fall.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit really still.
Yes, ma'am.
And back to the top of the order, Colton Long. He struck out to lead things off for St. Louis.
This is like physical therapy and baby love all rolled into one.
Borges and Long both being in that leadoff spot, back and forth. John Jay a little bit. Of course, did a nice job on just feeling it. And think about Mike Matheny out, making that lineup change, putting Carpenter into the second spot. The things were going well. That had to take some courage for Mike to make that change.
Did she ask for that side pony, or did you just give it to her?
Let's give it to her.
Cute.
All the hair colors go out.
That hair color's hard, isn't it?
Yep. I got a few hair color.
Now you gotta rinse it.
Nope. I can't miss the hair color yet.
Doing a good job.
I can still put in her hair.
Just got a chance to
Don't mix it yet. And now look.
Luger trying to strike out the side. They had 1 and 2 and about
Some. And now we put something else. And now we're over here.
Don't you fall backwards now.
Be careful.
And there's one hair color on the left.
Okay. I'm holding on to those leggies so you don't fall backwards.
Don't
There
hold
we
on to your legs. No.
Okay.
Don't hold on to my legs.
Oh.
Right, it's okay.
Thank you. Thank you. You're fixing me so nice. Here it is.
Right. There we go. That's for your shortcut.
Thank you for my shortcut.
You're not done yet.
All right.
Nope. And now I have to rinse.
All right.
This will be interesting.
Yeah, I can't wait to
Now we
see
have
this
to
one.
rinse.
Okay, how are we going to do that?
We have to use some water. Real water.
Well, we'll have to use pretend water today.
No, I want some real water.
Well, I'm fresh out of real water, but I can use pretend water.
No, I want some real water for the sink.
Well, we can't do that on the couch. It would get messy.
No, we have to do it in there.
And then, well, I can't put my boo head in the water just yet. Because it's still healing.
Right.
Maybe you could pretend rinse it with a hose like this.
No, I don't want to. Alright. You see the hair colors. Now it's done.
Yay!
My first
I think there's
sentence.
still more here coming.
But-
Whoops! More up here.
I think it still has
You surgery? You
a
surgery?
shortcut.
Been
Okay.
fighting off people.
There we go.
Need
Put it
anything?
on the